First of all, as you know, we had a very sad death of one of our candidates in Tipperary, Marie Skehan from Thurles. I want to sympathise with her and her family. There then became legal uncertainty around the decision of David Seymour to countermand the election in Tipperary on Saturday next. It's just simply not possible or viable or fair that the election will proceed in the rest of the country without Tipperary. So we were forced to bring proceedings here before Court Number 6 today in an effort to get clarity here and legal clarity. While reports in the media at present are saying that it is going ahead Saturday, I've spoken to Mr. Seymour, and while he has verbal, intent of going ahead with it and rehiring his staff, even in the court, the legal representatives on behalf of the state were unable to say that they had any instructions from the Minister for the Environment, Planning and Local Government to issue an order countermanding the original countermanding order, if you know what I mean, to give legal certainty to the fact that the poll would take place in Tipperary on this particular Saturday. So nothing would have happened or could have happened if we didn't force the issue here in court. We spent the last 36 hours in negotiations with our legal team, getting the best legal advice which we have, and clearly there was a contradiction between the Constitution, Brunnock na HÉireann, and indeed, the order that Mr. Seymour had made. In good faith, he had no choice. I accept that him and his staff are in an awful situation. People have plans made about working on next Saturday and Sunday and everything else, and it's just not fair, and would be even unimaginable that a government could be elected or candidates elected all over the country next Sunday and probably Monday, and Tipperary would have to wait 3 weeks. A government could have been formed, negotiations would have taken place, and Tipperary wouldn't be at the table. I, as an independent and honest representative for Tipperary people, if I'm re-elected, wouldn't countenance that or any shape, make or form. We're very proud people in Tipperary. We want to have our rightful say. Whatever 5 people are elected that will be around that table will be involved in negotiations for government and the election of a government. So it just simply had no choice. And others might talk about it, but we did it. We came here and looked for clarity. We're going to force the government to issue a letter. I can't understand why they haven't done it. I mean, they can talk about it and leak to the media, but it hasn't happened. So as of now, the election, we all expected in Tipperary, the public do, the media do, and want it, but it hasn't been officially signed off on. And I hope it won't take until 2 o'clock tomorrow or us having to come back here to insist that happens. So my sworn affidavit is here, and that of Councillor Joe Hannigan as well, and we hope that common sense will prevail and all of Ireland will vote together with Tipperary.